Hello friends, welcome to SQL Server video tutorial. In today's video, we'll see how to use update command in SQL Server. This update command is basically used for updating the existing data in a table in SQL Server. That is, we use this update clause to modify the existing data in a table. So, general business scenarios where do we have to use update command? Let's assume that we have a student application wherein we store all the student details. One day one of the student comes and informs us that my name is misprinted in the ID card and it's wrongly saved in the database. So which means data is already there in the table but it is wrongly saved. So then we need to correct that particular record, correct that particular student info. That is when we use this update command. This is just an example. Similar type of scenarios we use update command. Let's see the example here. First go to SQL Server Management Studio and then connect to the server. Then connect to the database whichever you want to use. Here I am using example database. In my example database I have two tables here. One is class and the other is student. We'll take the same example that I gave earlier. So first let me check what are the info that I have in student table. Select star from student table. See, I have so many records. I'll take this third record. Let's assume that student ID whose ID is 3, for that particular student his father name is misprinted, that is it's wrongly saved as Matt, and we got a request to change this name to Matthew. So then how can we go about doing this operation? So we need to update this data. Syntax for updating this data is update table name, set is a keyword, then column name, whatever the column that you want to modify. In our case this is father name, and the value which we want to update, that is Matthew. From Matthew we are updating it to Matthew. Okay, this is the general syntax. Update table name, set column name equal to value. This will update the entire table. In case if you want to only update one particular row, then we have to add a where condition, where student ID equal to 3. That condition we need to add here. Let's see the example. Update student set for the name equal to Matthew. So I want to update only one record, so I need to give where condition here, where student ID equal to 3. Else this will update the entire table, and this will without where clause what will happen is entire table will be updated with a Matthew for the father name. That is irrespective of all the students, father name will be updated to Matthew for all the students. So to avoid this we have to use this where clause, where student ID equal to 3. So this will update only one record. Let's see whether it is updated or not. Select start from student table. Now as you can see here for the third record father name is updated. Now I'll show you an example for update statement without using where clause. What will happen if we don't give where clause? So for this I'll take an example. I'll take a fresh table. I'll create the temporary table. Create table temp. I'm giving column 1 integer data type and column 2 character data type. This is a temporary table which will be stored in tempdb. So what I'll do is I'll insert few records in this table, some 3 records in this table. and then I'll do update operation on this table. So first I'm inserting one record, insert into temp table values 1 and A. I'm inserting 1A. So value 1 will go into column 1 table and A will go into column 2 column 2 of the table. So I'm inserting one more record, 2 and B. I'll insert one more record, 3 and C. Now let's see what information we have in this temp table. Select star from hash temp table. So we have the records here, 1A, 2B and 3C. Let's do the update operation on this table. Update temp table, update hash temp, set column 2 equal to D. So what will happen now is for all the records, for all the rows in temp table, column 2 will have only value D because we updated it for all the columns. To avoid this, generally we use where clause. If we don't want to update all the rows, if we want to update only 1 or 2 rows, then we have to provide the where condition. Now let's see update clause using where condition. Now I'll update the data to the previous values, that is 1A, 2B and 3C. So update temp table, set column 2 equal to A when column 1 is 1. This is updated, and similarly I am updating the rest of the 2 columns as well. See, one for value 1, column 2 have A. Similarly I am updating other columns, other data as well. See, 2B. Now I'll update table name, set column name equal to value where column name equal to condition. You just have to give this. So now this update operation is completed. This is how you can modify the data, you can update the data and